Hello, kids. Today's story is about the Vain Stag. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a proud stag. He had big, shiny antlers and thin, skinny legs. One day, the stag went to a pond to drink water. He looked at his reflection and said, "Oh, wow! My antlers are so beautiful. But my legs, they are so thin and ugly." Suddenly, a lion appeared. The stag got scared and started running fast. His thin legs helped him run very quickly. He almost escaped. But oh no, his big antlers got stuck in the bushes. Oh no, my beautiful antlers trapped me, and my thin legs tried to save me. Sadly, the stag could not escape. Moral: do not be proud of what looks beautiful. True value lies in what is useful. Hope you liked the story, kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories.